Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add shining light to your video in Capcut PC. So before going through the tutorial, please click subscribe button and click notification bell so you can get more videos update. Okay, just simple. I'm going to add this video to clip. How to add shining light? Just click effect and you can select shadow here and select angels. Okay, angel like this, and you can drag here. You can adjust or position like this. For example, okay, just simple. That's how to shining light video effect in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.